Eli Lilly is getting sued for insulin price fixing by Indiana's Republican Attorney General. Yes, the trillion-dollar Indiana-based drug mega monopoly conspired with pharmacy benefit manager middlemen to inflate the price of life-saving insulin by more than 1,000%. Allegedly, of course. It costs Eli Lilly less than $5 to manufacture a single dose of insulin, the medicine that type 1 diabetics literally need to survive. But what used to cost just $20 back in the 90s, Lilly charged between $300 and $700 up until recently. This led to horror stories of people having to resort to using animal insulin as an alternative or dying from having to ration their supply. This story is wild because that's not just my argument, that's what Republican Todd Rokita is arguing in his lawsuit. He's accused Lilly of extracting illegal profits from the state and its citizens, which is a comment I'd expect from someone like Zoran Mamdani. Lilly is accused of raising prices in lockstep with CVS Pharmacy-connected PBMs Caremark PCS and CVS Health Corp. These are the middlemen that negotiate drug prices with pharma companies for health insurance plans. The scheme was that Lilly would raise the list price of the insulin, then the PBM negotiates that price down with a rebate. They pocket the difference, while uninsured and underinsured folks have to pay the full list price. So this violates basically every expectation we have of the Republican-dominated Indiana state government. Republicans are famous for being pro-small government and pro-business, and not so famous for using the power of government to protect consumers against big business. Eli Lilly also owns the state government, donating hundreds of thousands of dollars every cycle to politicians at every level of government. They're also by far the biggest company based in Indiana, and their headquarters are just a mile and a half away from the state house. So why is this happening? Rokita isn't bucking ideology or his party's donors here. The lawsuit does nothing to actually lower prescription drug prices or harm corporate profits. That's because the Biden administration already capped the price of insulin a while back. This lawsuit is retrospective. My theory is that Todd wants to run for a higher office in 2028, and he's looking around and seeing that healthcare costs are top of mind for everyone. And Trump and the Republicans in Congress just ended ACA subsidies, so everyone's health insurance premiums are spiking, and he wants to be known as the guy that took on big companies to save people money. I'm following this story, so you should make sure that you are following me.